Alright, just showed up from the UPS guy, you know, the ones in the funny brown trucks, is a package that says Fragile. Fraggle? I think it's, what's that, some Sesame Street Fraggle Rock, I think it's what it was. Okay, so it's Fraggle Rock materials. It's written all over it, man. Little cartoon fuckers, boy, they're busy. Alright, so, man, back at my heavy, hell, it's got Fraggle everywhere on it. So, we're going to cut this. You can see the box is kind of a created box. Looks like took a tall box and cut it down. Fraggle's world is a bad thing. So let's go through here carefully and open this baby up quick as I can. And more tape back here. Okay. So this is supposed to be a 5,000 watt NPower inverter. These things sell for about $600-700 at oh hell, Northern Tool. So it's kind of like the Harbor Freight of well, they act like they're a little classier, but this is it. Now it said it was 32 pounds, and I lifted this, and I think it's probably 26. And you can see all the tape. My name ain't Mo Jeff, so I don't open the box from the bottom or nothing. See, not open from the bottom. You know, that's a Mo Jeff program where they open the box from the bottom and then alter the return and then tell you, and then get stupid enough to send it to another guy in an email laughing about it. You know that they did it. And then make a slamming video on a poor customer. So I'm not one of them guys. I'm just a nice guy. And so we got, and they put, if you see the eBay ad, they put a piece of tape over the 5,000, and it's just a piece of duct tape, black duct tape. So let this razor down, and let's get it pulled up out of here. It is supposed to be 100% brand new, big monster freaking inverter. Got a whole lot of stuff in it. And let's see here, warning, shock hazard, don't be a dumbass, and that kind of stuff. And just freaking lugs. That is heavy. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 on the other end. 60mm fan. This thing here is ducted, and on the sides, got 2 fans there. Out there with the big monster lugs. You don't see how big these damn lugs are. That's not bad. Here. Best thing in the world for sizing. Everybody knows what a cigarette lighter looks like. Look at that. That's how big the freaking lugs are. I just can't imagine that. But, because I'll replace these with brass. They're steel. There's no evidence of it ever being hooked up. It's totally clean. Totally clean. So, we have all of that, and there's no evidence here. In fact, there's still a little bit of the plastic that was slipped over the end of that ground lug. And let's look on this one here. Looks like somebody lost a washer to it. And again, that don't matter because we don't need the washer. But totally clean. I haven't scratched anywhere on it. So somebody put the 10 lugs on it, so let's hope that advertised never used is accurate. It's got 2 sets of GFCIs, and they're set it, and they're 20 amp. They're 20 amp, and a digital display for volts, output kilowatts, output wattage, USB of course, sappy things, and the remote. You use a standard remote just like the Peaks do, so that extra spares, I gotta work on that. 12 volt ball bearing fans, that's a good thing. And the coolest part of one of these NPowers has got to be this right over here. It is a hardwire, and it's not like those other junky ass ones. You can see the screws ain't never been off. Look at that. Ain't a single mark on that paint. Perfect. Either one. That's a good thing. So, right in there, your 3 legs, line, neutral, and ground. Let me get that to the back. Get that light off there. We got line, neutral, and ground right there, and going up into the unit. And let's see if we can take a better look on the inside of this thing. Hopefully I can get a view inside somehow. Maybe. It's pretty stout. It once was. Big transformers. And they're lengthwise transformers, which is kind of neat. Military style. Chinese military style. And the fans are really neat because it's like, right, you can't hardly see it. The little silver you see there. I'm looking here better because I think I'm looking at a Peltier, which is what a little refrigerator cooler is. I'd be damn, I am. He's got a Peltier in them. That's to aid the cooling using the spare wattage. That is neat. I like that. This uses almost the same style cooling system as a Pentium 3. That's pretty good. Alright. We're going to hook it up. We're going to test it. It's also got some more knockouts to get in here and hook stuff up. It's got resets for both banks. And the way this is designed to be 2500 watts, 2500 watts. That's its design. With 2500 is 20 amps, 20 amps. And they are NEMA 20, as you can see by the right there. We got her opened up. Let's this big monster. I mean, you see the physical size of it. They're big. It is really big. And it's really tall. You see this hooked up. We're going to run a welder on it.